Today is a bright and sunny day. Emma is sitting at her desk, ready to study English grammar. She has her notebook open and looks determined. Her teacher, Mr. Thompson, is writing on the board about the future with going to. Emma is listening carefully and trying to understand the rules. She feels excited about learning something new that will help her in daily conversations. Mr. Thompson explains that I am going to is used to talk about plans and intentions. He uses a simple example, I am going to eat lunch. Emma nods and writes it down. She repeats the sentence to herself, trying to grasp the meaning. The other students are also taking notes and listening closely. The classroom is full of concentration and energy. Emma asks, "What if we don't have a plan?" Mr. Thompson smiles and responds, "Then we can use going to for predictions. Like, look at those clouds. It's going to rain." Emma looks up at the sky and sees the dark clouds. She seems intrigued by the idea of using the future with going to for both plans and predictions. The students practice by making sentences about their plans for the weekend. Emma writes, "I am going to play football with my friends." Other students are also writing down sentences. The teacher walks around the room, offering help and encouragement. The atmosphere is warm and welcoming, full of friendly chatter and learning. Emma looks at the weather forecast on her phone. The clouds are dark and heavy. She says, "I'm going to bring an umbrella to school." Mr. Thompson nods and reinforces the use of going to for predictions based on evidence. Emma seems happy she can make predictions now, while others are still writing and thinking. The class continues with more examples. Mr. Thompson says, "It's going to be a long day today." Emma giggles and agrees. She then tells her friend, "I'm going to finish my homework before dinner." The students are laughing, learning, and feeling connected through the grammar lesson. Emma gets up to share her own sentence. She says, "I'm going to try to learn more English words today." The class claps and cheers. She feels proud of her progress. Mr. Thompson praises her, saying, "That's great. You're using going to talk about future plans." After class, Emma meets a new friend named Liam. He asks, "Are you going to play football this weekend?" Emma smiles and replies, "Yes, I'm going to play with my team." Liam nods, impressed. They both agree it's an exciting way to talk about the future. The next day, Emma uses going to tell her parents about her plan. She says, "I'm going to walk to the park with my brother." Her mom responds, "That sounds fun. Are you going to bring a snack?" Emma nods, showing her confidence in using the future tense correctly. Emma practices more at home by writing down her daily plans. She says, "I'm going to watch a movie tonight," and "I'm going to meet my friend at the cafe tomorrow." Her parents encourage her, saying she's doing well. Emma feels excited about mastering the going to structure and improving her English.